welcome to the channel Qlik Tech. Today I will tell you how to download and install QlikSense desktop. But before going for download, you must have access QlikSense SaaS edition. If you don't have, just watch my previous video mentioned in I button. So let's see how to download QlikSense desktop. So first of all, you have to go to the mail. In mail, you have to check the mails comes from the Qlik. The these type of mails comes from Qlik when you will successfully register for your Qlik SaaS edition. Just open it, go to the Qlik cloud. Yeah, here I have to log in my SaaS edition. Just I am doing. Yes, it is successfully opened my SaaS edition interface. So go to the user profile menu. In here, profile settings, just scroll down and click on tools. Here you can see that the different types of exe files, ClickSense desktop, Qlik data transfer, and many more. Just click on download ClickSense desktop. It has been started to download. When once it will download, I will tell you how to install the ClickSense desktop. So guys, you can see that the exe file has been downloaded. So just go the location of the download. So in folder, just double click on it. Just click on install. Click here and click on next, next, accept, install. It will take more time for the installation. So please guys, wait until the installation. It has been started for installing ClickSense desktop. So guys, you can see that ClickSense desktop has been installed successfully. Just click on finish, go to your Windows screen. Here, the shortcut for ClickSense desktop has been created. Just open it. It will take some more time to open. Please wait. Yes, it is opening. You have you can authenticate from here, but if you want to authenticate, first of all, go your SAS edition. From here, you have to click in the authenticate. Open. One second. You have to click here. Again, it will ask for the login. Please give your Gmail and password. Just log in. It is showing some error for the opening the ClickSense desktop. So you don't worry about it. Just go back, and here you can see that trial expire 11 September 220, and you can see that the launch icon. Just click on launch. Yeah, your ClickSense desktop have successfully installed, as you can see that. So please share, subscribe, and hit the like for this video. We will meet for the next video. Thank you.